And here we go, another real courtroom drama unfolding. Watch closely, because this plea deal has a twist you might not expect.
Court is calling 2025 CR 007015, State versus Anthony Wayne Monty. Can I have parties announced for the record? Are you Mr. Monty? Oh, thank you. All right, counsel, have you received all discovery? To review it with your client? Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Muncie, did you review the application for deferred adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it? Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment? Yes. State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Your Honor, we are not. We are proceeding with the represented possession for custody. One less than one right.
Any objection? Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Sure.
You charged with possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram, state jail.
Notice here, the prosecutor is dropping to a lesser included. Offense. That's a strategic move, often used when evidence for the higher charge might be risky at trial. But it still carries serious consequences, up to 2 years in state jail.
Felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand? You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses. The state will call in the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? Did you understand that the court would grant your application for deferred adjudication for any reason you're...
Would you give up your right to a jury trial for a deferred adjudication deal? Remember, it's basically probation with a big catch. One slip up and you're serving the full sentence.
Deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty, sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility, and up to a $10,000 fine. Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses? Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him? Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense? Sir, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea? Anyone promised you anything other than the plea? Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented? Are you a U.S. citizen? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it? According to the plea bargain agreement, the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense. There is to be deferred adjudication, restitution of $60 to the Bexar County Crime Lab, follow the recommendations of the CAP evaluation. Did you understand that to be your plea? State, is that the plea? State, is that the plea? Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places? Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand? Counsel, have there been any such motions? Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that deferred adjudication be for a term of 2 years. There'll be 100 hours of community service restitution and take all medications as prescribed. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state, and the court does not have to follow those recommendations? Then to the offense, the lesser included offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State, any evidence?
Yeah.
No objection. All right, state, you may excuse.
Yes.
Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent? Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witness statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand? The court will find that the defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation, testimony, and stipulations. The court will accept to evidence State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. After reviewing State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, just that I served this long sort of that full meal with revolves around lunch. First in the morning, after lunch,
the judge has enough evidence to find him guilty. But here's the twist. She's deferring. That means his record stays cleaner. If he plays by the rules.
Judge, she's doing excellent. We're asking you to take that into consideration. Conditions, state that, I believe it was minimal time at ITP and residential judge. And one more thing, Judge, my client has been declared convicted by this court, and we can take into consideration you can deal on the monthly probation. That would help him out in that space, well, Judge.
So how you doing?
Oh,
that's good. Yeah, they say you have to take it day by day, but I'm so happy that you're working towards staying clean and sober. All right, so what I can tell you with regards to fees to probation, I take everything in consideration when that's presented to me. Okay. All right, the court, do you have children? What are their ages? The court is going to sentence you to 2 years deferred adjudication. There's $60 restitution to Bexar County Lab for drug testing. 100 hours of community service restitution. Once he completes parenting classes, community service hours will be deemed satisfied. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person.
This part's powerful. Instead of stacking punishment, the judge ties community service to parenting classes. That's rehabilitation-focused justice, aiming to break the cycle, not just punish it.
Regular random UAs. And probation, if he's receiving the UAs through the treatment program at Center for Healthcare Services, that's acceptable to the court. But if not, you have to do UAs with probation. There's to be continued treatment with the ITP program through Center for Healthcare Services on the Haven for Hope campus. And you need to sign a release so that probation can make sure that they receive updates on how you're doing. All right, in probation, you all don't do field visits at Haven for Hope, is that correct? All right. And we'll do a TAP evaluation out of custody just so that we can have that. Probation, is there anything else?
And that's the real takeaway here in this courtroom. Sobriety and compliance are the keys to freedom. One mistake,
and you need to
this deal disappears, and the gavel comes down hard.